located in northern Vietnam, is one of the world's most renowned natural wonders, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With over 1,600 islands and islets rising from emerald green waters, Ha Long Bay creates a magnificent and breathtaking natural landscape. Each island has a unique shape, as if sculpted by the skillful hands of nature. The beauty of Ha Long Bay is not only found in its majestic limestone mountains, but also in its rich and diverse ecosystems. The caves within the bay are masterpieces of nature, formed over millions of years. Sung Sot Cave, with its sparkling stalactites, or Thien Kung Cave, likened to a palace underground, never failed to amaze visitors with their surreal beauty. In addition, the clear blue water and fresh air of Ha Long Bay provide ideal conditions for ecotourism activities, such as kayaking, snorkeling, or visiting floating fishing villages, where tourists can experience the simple and peaceful life of local fishermen. All these elements blend together to create a Ha Long Bay that is both mysterious and poetic, offering a sense of serenity and tranquility to anyone who sets foot here. Ha Long Bay is not only a source of pride for the Vietnamese people, but also an ideal destination for those seeking to immerse themselves in nature's breathtaking beauty and peaceful surroundings.